Welcome to Himani Coaching Center. We are committed to simplify concepts and amplify confidence of all the students who are watching our videos to learn maths. Today, we are going to discuss highest common factor, a topic for class 4 and 5 students. Okay, so if you have watched our previous video where we had talked about prime factorization and factorization, then from there onwards we will move to highest common factor. If you have not watched that video, do watch the video. The link is provided in the description. Also, if you are joining this or watching this video for the first time, do subscribe to the channel, press the bell icon, and a request to all the parents, please share this video with other parent groups and help me spread word. Thank you. So kids, now we will talk about highest common factor. So starting from where we left in the last video. So let us say I want to find factors of 24. Also, let us find factors of 32. So now see, as we discussed, every number, 1 is a factor of every number and every number is a factor of itself. So that means 1 is a factor, 24 is also a factor. So let us write that down. Then you look for table of 2, since the unit digit is 4, so you will say yes, it is divisible by 2. So you write 2, then divide 24 by 2. So when we divide, what will we get? 2 ones are 2, here 0, and then 4, 2 twos are 4. So remainder 0. So that means 2 and 12. Now let us look at 24 in the table of 3. So if you go through the table of 3, what will you find? You will find 3 8s are 24. Okay. Now we will go to the table of 4. Now in the table of 4, what we find is 4 6 are 24. So 4 and 6. Okay. Now, after this table of 5, it will not be there. Table of 6, already 4 times 6 is 24. So we have written 4 and 6. So now we have written all the factors. Now let us write the factors in ascending order. So factors of 24 in ascending order would be 1, 2. Ascending order means starting from the lowest number and we increase, okay, as we move towards right. So 1 2 3 4, and after 4 should come 6, then 8, then 12, then 24. So these are the factors of 24 written in ascending order. Now let us find factors of 32. So we will use the same method. 1 is a factor of every number, so we write 1. And the number itself is a factor of itself, so 32 is also a factor. Now, since, see, unit digit is 2, that means 32 is divisible by 2. So let us divide. So when we divide, so what will happen? 2 ones are 2, 3 minus 2, 1, and then you bring down this 2, and then you see 2 6 are 12. Okay, so that means 2 and 16 are factors of 32. Now, see, 32 does not come in the table of 3. How do we know? One, we have done a video on divisibility rules. If you have not watched that video, the link is provided in the description. Do watch that video. So what will we do? We will add 3 and 2, we will get 5. 5 is not a multiple of 3. So that means 32 is not divisible by 3. So we move on to 4. Now 4 times 8 is 32. Now, if you look forward to 5 table, 32 is not multiple. 6 table, not. 7 table, not a multiple. And 8 we have already taken 8 fours are. So now let us write the factors of 32 in ascending order like we did for factors of 24. So that would be 1, 2, 4, 8, 16 and 32. Now let us find common factors. What will we do? We will find common factors of 24 and 32. So let us circle those. So let me use maybe this, not green, let me use this color. So is 1 there in both? Yes. So common factor 1 is there. Then is 2 there as a factor in both? Yes. So let us write that down. Then 3 is not in both, but 4 is there in both. So we write 4. Then 8 is there in both. And these are the common factors of 24 and 32. And now kids, what is the highest common factor? See, 1, 2, 4 and 8. 8 is the highest common factor. So we say highest common factor can also be written as HCF. So we will say HCF of 24 and 32 is 8. Okay. Now this is one of the method of finding highest common factor. Okay, we will learn other method as well, but for now I will give you a question and I would want you to find the highest common factor of those numbers. Okay, so make a note of this. Okay, and you can pause the video and make a note of this, that how are we finding first factors of 24 and 32, and then how are we finding common factors, and then how are we finding highest common factor. Okay, now let me give you a question. Just give me a second. I should move like this. Oh, it's going. So let me erase like this so that the topic remains in the screen there. So what I want you to do now is find common factors of the numbers which I am writing. One number is 36 and the other number is 48. Okay, find one common factors of 36 and 48, then write the common factors in ascending order. Okay, follow the process which we just did in the previous question, and then write the common factors and find highest common factor. You can pause the video and do the question yourself. Okay, once you are done, you can start the video and see the working which I am doing. A word of advice to parents and elders who are watching the video with the kids: please pause the video, let the kid do the working, then you can start and see whether he or she has done it correctly. So now kids, let us look at the factors of 36. So I have to find factors of 36 and factors of 48. So as we said, 1 is a factor of all the number and the number itself is a factor. So 1 and 36 done. Now 6 is an even number. That means 36 is divisible by 2. Divide 36 by 2. So let us do that as well. So 3 is bigger than 2 and 2 times 1 is a 2. 3 minus 2 gives us 1, brings 6 down. 2 eights are 16. So 2 and 18 are the factors of 36. Now 3 plus 6, 9, which is a multiple of 3. So let us divide 36 by 3. 3 ones are 3. Bring down 6. 3 twos are 6. Okay. So we find that 3 and 12 are also factors of 36. Now let us go to table of 4. So 4 nines are 36. In the table of 5, 36 does not come. In the table of 6, it is 6 times 6, so we will just write 6 once. In the table of 7, it will not come. In the table of 8, it will not come. In the table of 9, it comes, but we have already noted. So that means we have written the factors, all the factors. So let us write the factors in ascending order. Ascending means what? Lowest number to highest number. So that's called ascending order. So the first smallest number is 1 out of these, then 2, then 3, then 4, then 6. Okay. Keep checking your working, and otherwise, if you have not done it correctly, do this with me now. So we have written 1, 2, 3, 4, 6. Then 9 comes, then comes 12, then comes 18, and then comes 36. So these we have written the factors of 36 in ascending order. Now let us find factors of 48. Again, same rule. 1 is a factor of all the numbers. A number is a factor of itself. So 1 and 48 noted. Now 48, 8 is an even number, so divisible by 2. So if you divide 48 by 2, you will get 24. So 2 and 24 are the factors. How do we get 24? Let's quickly do this. So 2 times 2 is a 4, then bring 8 down, and then 2 fours are 8. So that's how we get it. Okay. So wherever you need to do the division, you will follow the rules. Okay. Now 4 plus 8 is 12, which is a multiple of 3. So that means it is divisible by 3. You divide and you get 16. Okay. Then we have taken 3, then 4. So if you look 48 and divide it by 4, so 4 ones are 4, then 8, 4 twos are 8. So we get the factors as 4 and 12. Then we go to see 5, 48 is not a multiple. 6 it is, so 6 times 8. Okay. Then after that you see 7, 48 is not a multiple. 8 we have already taken. So that means we have already written all the factors. Now let us write factors of 48 in ascending order. Okay. So let's write in ascending order. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 8, 12, 24, 48. Have we written all? Yes. Now let us find common factors. What are we finding now? Common factors of 36 and 48. So let us go back wherever we have written in ascending order. Is 1 there in both? Yes. So let us write that down. Is 2 there in both? Yes. Let us write that down. Is 3 there in both? Oh, yes. Is 4 there in both? Yes. Is 6 there in both? Yes. Then 9 not there. 12 is there in both. Okay, 9 was not there in both. 9 is only in 36, not in this. Now after this, see, 18, 36 are not there. So we have got common factors of 36 and 48. Okay. Now what is our job? Find the highest common factor. So out of these numbers, kids, you tell me what is the highest? 12. So our answer for HCF of 36 and 48 is 12. Okay. So see, kids, we have to understand one thing. So we are finding common factors. What are factors? Factors are the numbers, like you divide 36 by 2, remainder would be 0. You divide 36 by 3, remainder would be 0. Therefore, we say 2 is a factor of 36, 3 is a factor of 36. So when we say common factors of 36 and 48. So we are saying that if you divide 36 and 48 by 1, 2, 3, 4, 6 or 12, in each case remainder would be 0. And out of these common factors, the highest common factor is 12. Okay. So for now, we will end the video here. In the next video, we will learn how to find LCM and HCF using prime factorization. Okay, till the time, watch this video and the previous videos again and again to get confidence in the concepts. Happy learning.